Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, USD, JPY, GBP, JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of NZD USD in front of us right now. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of NZD USD and what are the trading opportunities that we have on this chart. So first of all, I would like to talk about the trend of the market. So what is the trend here? Undoubtedly bearish trend. Market is bearish, and right now if we just focus on this present portion of the market here, then we can see that market is sideways. So overall trend is towards the downside, bearish, and the present trend is sideways. Okay, and if we just focus here, then we have a very strong resistance zone at the top and we have also a support at the bottom. And right now market is trading at, or not market trading at, the last traded price. Yes, the last traded price is 0.6772. This is the last traded price here. So after the market opening on Monday, if you see market going up from here, because see, after the NFP DXY witnessed heavy selling. So if the selling continues, yes, though DXY is in support zone, okay, though DXY is in support zone, if the selling continues, then yes, there will be some up move on the NZD USD chart. But keep in mind, DXY is in support zone, so there's a good possibility of DXY bouncing from this level. And if it fails also, okay, then we have the super support. Yes, very strong support at 95.50. So this makes it a very important level. So overall, if you ask me, yes, considering the sideways market of DXY, there is a good possibility of DXY bouncing from the support level. Okay, and if DXY bounces, then yes, there will be some selling on NZD USD. But if it goes up on Monday, okay, listen to me carefully. If it goes up on Monday, then the first resistance for NZD USD will be this trend line. So if you do not have this trend line on your charting platform, I'll request you to draw this trend line so that you can analyze the market better, so that you can understand the market better. So if market goes up and reverses, we can take a sell position, because overall what is the trend is bearish. So if market reverses from the trend line, definitely we can sell position, take a sell position. But if market breaks the trend line also, do not initiate any buy call, because if you take a buy position here after, if market breaks the trend line, your risk to reward ratio will not be in your favor. As I always say, my dear friends, do not chase the market, let the price come to you, and be a trader, not a gambler. So if market breaks also, wait for the market to enter into the second resistance zone, and in comparison to the trend line, this resistance zone is much stronger. So the next resistance zone is 0.6860 to 0.6830. Once market will enter the resistance zone here, again market will face selling pressure. And I don't think so that NZD USD have the power right now to break everything and go for a complete trend reversal. At least as of now, it does not have. So there is a good possibility of NZD USD reversing also. And apart from this presence of sellers in this level, we also have the confirmation from the Fibonacci retracement. This is also a Fibonacci retracement level. So resistance plus Fibonacci, both the factors make it a very important level. So, and there is a good possibility of market reversing from this level. If market reverses, definitely we can take a sell position in this level. And on the other hand, if you find market going down instead of going up, if you find market going down, then yes, there are some minor support in the market. But I'll say that, see, my dear friend, there are multiple opportunities in the market, so do not go for any small time support zone here and there, okay, because that can be quite risky. So you should not be taking any risk, and just wait for the market to touch 0.6700. This is a very strong support, and there's a good possibility of market bouncing from this level. If market bounces, you can take a buy position as well. We have a minor support here at 0.674050, 0.6740 to 0.6750. This is a minor support. So if you want to take a buy, that's your personal call. I'll not suggest, at least I'll not take. Okay, I'll take a buy here if market bounces, and I'll try to take a sell in this zone, because this is a very strong resistance zone for the market. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of NZD USD right now. Let's see where the market goes, how the market does, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Do not use more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. For my wrong analysis, you should not be losing your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.